and welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be making for you all a requested recipe, and this one is for pepper fries. So I went ahead and I baked the fries ahead of time. It just came out of the oven, and that's when you want to move ahead onto the second part of this dish. To the pot, I'm going to go in with a little bit of sesame oil. Next, I'm going to go in with some sliced hot peppers. And if you wanted to use pimento peppers or a milder pepper for this, you can. I'm just going to allow the peppers to saute and let it get really fragrant. It's going to flavor that oil. It's going to get very spicy. So if you guys didn't want this as spicy, you would leave the ribs and the seeds out of the pepper. Or you use a milder pepper like a pimento pepper or a Cubanelle pepper or a Fresno pepper. Next, I'm going to go in with some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger and just mix that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with those fries, some sliced sweet peppers and some sliced onions. Now I'm just going to finish off with some Chinese seasoning salt, and I'm using the JGM brand. And all you do is toss to combine. Now I want the sweet peppers and the onions to be tender, crisp. But if you wanted a softer onion or sweet pepper, what I suggest you do is before you put in the fries, you allow the sweet pepper and the onions to cook. Then you would add the fries and toss to combine. So once you toss it, all you finish with now is some chopped scallions, and then this is ready to be served. This is best served hot. You really don't want to serve this when it gets cold, because you taste the peppers and the flavor of it is better when it's hot. So that's as easy as it is to make pepper fries. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!